welcome back to DuckDuckOtaku, the best in low-cost cosplay. So this is a really quick video on how to do burn and ice makeup. I'm using Shoto Todoroki from My Hero Academia. As an example, again, don't worry, it's not an obsession. It's just my example. However, you could use this tutorial for a Zuko burn, a White Walker, ice, really any type of burn or ice makeup. Okay, so first off, the supplies. As always, I like to keep things as low cost as possible, so I'm actually reusing my Party City face paint makeup I got for my last video. It's $5, Party City, very easy to use. All you gotta do is put it in a little plastic bag and you can use it again. One problem I did have in that last video was I couldn't get the colors to blend real well, and that's because I didn't have real paintbrushes. This time I have real paintbrushes, which I recommend you get as well. It comes with one. It's not very good, guys. Just get some paintbrushes. They're not bad. I found some online that look like a good bundle. $5, Michaels. Okay. Next off is just some lip gloss. Real cheap stuff. You can find it at Target, Walmart for pretty much under $4 or less. Then for the ice effect, you need some with a point, and I have a skewer, but you can also make it out of like cardboard. You just cut it into a point. So very easy, very cheap. It's just a skewer. You're going to want paper towels and water nearby because this can get messy. It makes a mess because you have to keep continually washing out the paintbrushes. So you got to be careful with your colors. So I'm going to start with the ice makeup. I'm going to put some on my face and some on my hand. And if you notice, my hands are labeled. One says R and one says B. I know which hand is left and right. Usually I get them mixed up a little bit, little learning disabilities. But the R stands for red. This is where the red is going to be for his burn. And this is where the blue. Blue is for the blue makeup has, the ice makeup has blue in it. I should have just written I. That would have been smarter. But, oh well. Okay, so I'm going to start with the ice. So on the blue side, I'm just going to take my blue and just start with the ice. So on the blue side, I'm just going to take my blue and just spread it around the area I want. So I want to basically outline and make a big blob of where all my ice is going to be. Okay, as you can see, got a nice big blue area. This is going to be where I am going to have my patch of ice. And then next, make sure you clean your brushes because you don't want any dirty, gross colors in your other colors. You also want to keep these as clean and clear as possible so you continue reusing them and saving money. Okay, so once that is done, you take a clean brush. So you got your white. Just going to get as much as you can. Then you're going to start mixing it in with the blue. Kind of lighten up the blue, make it that really nice ice color. Then you're going to start from the middle and just kind of work your way out. But don't mix it too much. You want to keep it very, very light blue, but definitely blue still. Okay, now that you have that nice light blue area, nice little blob, I did extend mine a little bit. You're going to take your white, and again, washing your paintbrush. You cannot stress how much you need to be keeping your brushes nice and clean. You're going to take that white again, and this time you're just going to go around the edges very carefully because you don't want to go too far in, but you also don't want to go too far out. Just kind of outline it, and then in the areas that are blue, you kind of blend it just a little bit, just to give it more of the ice effect. that you have your blue and it's outlined in the white and you got nice and blended, everything's looking good. So this next step, you're going to need another brush, a clean one. You're just going to take it in the white, and this is just to add more detail to the frost. And now that it's dipped just the very ends, you're just going to kind of dot around the edges very carefully. Make sure you give it more of a spreading, a creeping frost, like, you know, when the snow comes in, it's just kind of creeping up, coming out from the center, just around the edges, very, very subtle, but it gives a lot of detail and makes it kind of pop and look a little more realistic, because I don't have anything other than the paint to portray ice. Okay, now you have all your stuff kind of dotted out and it's looking really, really good. But if you want to add just a little more detail, you take your skewer or your pointed edge. All you're going to do is just draw lines. This is just give it a more icy texture. Again, this doesn't show up on camera real well, so I do apologize for that. But I promise you guys, it gives it a lot more texture and depth to your ice and makes it just a little bit more realistic. If you want to go the extra mile, just take it. It's really easy to do. All you got to do is draw bunch of lines, very easy to do. Just be careful you don't like make it like super crazy, but just kind of try and mirror ice and how when frozen stuff freezes, when things freeze, it has all those little lines. We can see all the little veins and stuff. It's the best way I can describe it. Okay, as you can see, I'm hoping the texture shows up. That is the very end. I was going to do my arms, but it's very late at night. It's actually my birthday, and I'm not sure I'm going to have time. So, but again, just going to be the exact same as this, except obviously, you know, on your arms. Use the same type of makeup, same methods. Everything is the same. It's just going to be on your arms. So yeah, so moving on, then we have the burn makeup, which is going to be on the eye. And again, this could really work for Zuko from Last Airbender, the exact same as it does for Todoroki. But yeah, I'm just using him as my example, so that's what I'm going to be following. It's going to be basically the same steps as the ice. It's a little bit different, but pretty much the same thing. Almost the exact same materials and everything. So yeah, let's go to that. The ice, we're going to start out making a big blob, making it out of the base red. And you're just going to outline where you need to be. Be careful of your eye. Don't get it in your eye. Later on, if you want, you can darken your eyebrow to make it show up a little bit more by just taking some mascara or a eye pencil. I think that's what they're called. Eyeliner. Get some eyeliner and just kind of like go over your eyebrow. That'll make it show up a little bit more. I will probably not do that because I'm just doing the makeup on how to do the burn, the eyes, but that is how you do that if you want to do that. Okay, so now you have all your red kind of mapped out. Next you're going to take your black and keeping it in, and it's okay if it's not exactly the same tone all around, because you really don't want an exact even color all around, because realistically that is not how burns work. But you do kind of want to make sure it is all vaguely same color. You don't want something that's this color and then like just plain old black in one spot. So make sure you do keep it vaguely consistent throughout, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, you're just going to take the black, kind of mix it in. Don't do too much or else you'll have to wipe it all off and start again with the red, but just enough to kind of darken it out. I recommend not putting a lot on your brush and kind of working all the way out before you even go get more on your brush. You've darkened it a little bit and made it a little bit less in your face red. What you want to do is you're going to take your lip gloss. You're going to take your lip gloss and very carefully you're just gonna kind of spread it in, put it in, disperse it throughout. This will help give it more of a burn, not necessarily a texture, but a burn effect. It just adds a little more color as well, because you don't want everything looking kind of almost red, black, dark colors. It just adds a little bit more. You don't have to do this, but I do recommend it. It's very easy to do. You're basically like when you did the white over on the ice side is basically very similar to what you're doing over here. Basically very similar. Yeah, real smart. Yes, but that's what you're doing. Very easy to do. And so yeah, that's all you're going to be doing. And that's everything. That's all you have to do the burn, do the ice. Now to take it off, it's very easy. You can use a wet paper towel or makeup removing wipes, which is what I'm using. It's very easy. All you literally have to do is just wipe. And it comes off real easy. Look, it's pretty much already gone, yeah. Like it was never there. So yeah, it's very easy to do. Comes off super easy. Very, very easy. One thing to remember though is because it comes off so easy is don't touch it once it's on there unless you want it to mess up, because it will mess up. So if you do get it on your clothes or anything, I will leave a link in the description of how to get it off of your clothes. It's very easy to do. It's basically just soap and water. But just in case, I'm going to leave that link in the description below. Okay. If you liked this video, comment down below and tell me what you liked. If you didn't like it, tell me something you didn't like, what you would have done differently. If you have different techniques on how to do the burn versus the ice, I'd love to hear them. I love learning new things. So yeah, let me know. Subscribe if you want to see more. I plan on making more and more videos. My first one was actually a class project, but I'm going to continue making videos because I love you. My 5 subscribers! Oh my god. I said 5. My 5 subscribers. 5 of y'all have subscribed. Y'all are awesome. Also, a quick shout out to JustTezFilms, my YouTuber friend. He's been helping me a lot. He's super cool. Y'all should check out his channel. He's got pizza, he's got CSGO, he's got skateboarding, he's got vlogs. Awesome guy. Check him out. You should definitely watch all of his videos. I'm his #1 fan, guys. So go ahead, check out his videos. He's been helping me out. So if you could send him some of y'all's love, that'd be awesome. Yeah, let me know what you want to see next. Any different cosplay, any prop making tips. I have some other videos coming up. I left some of my supplies in a different state, so I'm going to have to go back and refilm and do some other stuff. But they should be coming out decently soon. I'm sure y'all are going to love them. Like, comment, subscribe. Come on, let's reach 6 subscribers. That'd be super cool, guys. 6 subscribers, okay? 5 are awesome. 6 are too awesome. Awesome and awesome. That's just what we need. 6 subscribers. Come on. It's okay? And you've been watching DuckDuckOtaku. This has been DuckDuckOtaku on how to do burn and ice makeup. I'll catch you later. Bye! Guys, gotta do all cleanup. I made kind of a mess. Remember, it's gonna kill me, but she's blocked in right now because the tripod's blocking her in, or blocking her out. Yeah, I did kind of make a mess, more than I meant to. Got plenty of paper towels though. Looking fabulous. If you stuck around this video, happy birthday in the comments because it's my birthday. I'm not that much older, but I feel old. I always feel old though. How do I do this? Yeah, write happy birthday down in the comments below if you made it this far. You are awesome. Awesome people deserve awesome stuff. You see a little bit behind the scenes if you're sticking around this long. So, yeah, here's the mess I made. It's my paint water. I almost drank that like 4 times making this video, which is lovely. Just what I want to do. My script, music. I do wear my headphones sideways so that I can continue hearing stuff that's happening around me. I'm just going to run into my dorm real quick because it's messy. as you can see, I've been working on like a bunch of different things. I got a little bit of Todoroki over here, a bit of fire over there, some more Todoroki over there. I got a new computer, that's pretty cool. I got a wig that I might have to paint. All my armor pieces are still drying out. Oh, that's my alarm going off, that's what that sound is. But yeah, got my poster of my peeps. There's my boy! Yeah. Okay, thank y'all for sticking along this ride. Thank you for sticking along this wrong. Thank you for sticking along. Thank you for sticking around this long. You're awesome. Subscribe, please. DuckDuckOtaku. Quack, quack, otaku. You see. Quack, quack, baka. Wow, I need to go to bed. It's super late, guys. Bye again.